What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We know we haven't been posting a while now because we had a long winter, and here the winter in Canada, it goes down to like minus 35, minus 40, with the wind chill being like minus 50 sometimes or some days. But we're back and we are gonna be uploading week in, week out. We're gonna try to do our best to keep up with the build that we're doing. So we have a few stuff that we want to go over, few things that we want to do. I went ahead and did a provincial inspection because the car wasn't from our province. Its provincial inspection here is just like an inspection back in Jamaica where I'm from, but here you only do it once and you don't have to do it again for as long as you own the car. You could maybe meet an accident and fix it yourself without letting insurance know, and you don't have to do the inspection again for over long. So here the provincial inspection costs like $181, and then there's a few stuff that they told us to change and fix on the car, and I'll show it to you guys. So here we go. So all the X's are the stuff that we need to change. So the seat belt, the airbag sensor was faulty. Or I think it was maybe because we took the seat out to clean it. We didn't clip it on back properly and whatever. And the neutral switch shift pattern, because our shifter doesn't have any numbers or pattern to show, because we're gonna get a new one and change it anyway. And then the indicator lamp, which we fixed. So all the things here we changed. The lamp, when we took it out, there was a clip under the bottom of the lamp that we didn't clip on, so we weren't getting any park light and all that, so that's the reason why. And then the backing plate for the brake we took out and we didn't replace it, but we went ahead and got it done. And then we had we have to do wheel alignment also. So everything here we have changed, everything has been fixed, only the wheel alignment is left. And then for here, all right, so we're gonna change this to a doubled-in radio or a interface. So this is the new one that we bought. It's gonna replace this one. So we're gonna do doubled-in for this one, and we move the air conditioner vent to the bottom. So it was this one right here, that because it came with two cassette players. I don't know why, but there was two inside. You could do interchangeable, but that's old school. So we're gonna change out these ones. So the next thing with this one, we have the hazard lights here, which we're gonna change. But for this one, instead of doing the shape for this and then maybe possibly cutting this one and spoil it, we're gonna get one of those ones from Amazon where it's like a circle. So we just get a drill, punch a hole inside here, just make a circle here and put it in and screw it from the inside, and then we get started. So I'm going to show you guys where we are right now and stuff we need to get done. All right, so guys, so this is the first thing. We bought a new exhaust tip, a small pipe for the exhaust. We're gonna change this one, this tank here. So we're gonna put a smaller one, and then it's gonna be looking way better. We put the car on a jack stand because here we go again. We took the gearbox out because while we were driving, when we got it, it had a rattling sound inside, and then we realized there's some issue with the gears inside. So first, when we got it, we got a new clutch and pressure plate installed. You can see the red one here, and we changed the clutch from here. Also, we needed ABS sensors, so we went and purchased new ABS sensors and we got them replaced. The backing plate here, we got it replaced here, but we're gonna do a full change after our suspension system. So here, if you listen, I'm not sure if you can hear. You can hear that knocking sound. That's the sound we've been hearing. We've never worked on gearbox ourselves, so it was suggested to us that we should just get a new one installed. So we're gonna use a used one. We're not gonna get a new one There's a parts place here that sells like parts for stock cars like these. So we went there and we realized there's one exactly like this with the gearbox still inside. So we're gonna try to remove it, and hopefully it's in good shape and can be used. But there's like tons of stuff to get done, and we're gonna be doing it quick for you guys. Yeah, so those are the things that we're gonna do, and we're gonna have change for you guys. So stay tuned, keep watching, and thank you guys for all the subscribers. If you're new to our channel, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and also, you know, share it with a friend, because we have lots of stuff coming for you guys, you know. We took it for a spin, you know. We installed new wings for our car, you know. It's pretty nice. Also, we got new headlights installed. Let me get this one down right here. We have it up. Yeah, so we purchased these online. You get these ones, pretty slick. Let me come on this side. Okay, we don't want to scratch it up, so if you look inside. So, all right, so we have halo lights going inside. These are LEDs. We wish we had bought the ones that change color, but here, you know, the cops are really stressful. So they don't want any light that is changing, you know, it's color changing. They don't need, and they don't want on the road. So that's something that we can't do. But we're gonna do interior light change. We made a purchase of new dashboard lights. So also here, we're gonna change the colors of the dashboard lights. So all these lights inside here, all of those. This one is like a red, but it's like really dull, even at its max power. Here's the other radio face that we took out. This one is a CD changer, and that one is a CD changer. I don't know why they have both, but we got these out. This we got with the new system that we're gonna install, and we're gonna change the interface and have a double face. Also, we built a new counter because we didn't have one the first time, and then we didn't really have a workspace. We put up a new shelf. You know, we're trying to improve the garage space and make it, you know, comfortable as much as we can. So, you know, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try to get rid of this engine because we dropped this engine out of a Ford Edge. So, you know, we changed this one, so we're gonna get rid of this one. It had a hole here. So, you know, we're gonna get rid of those ones. These are the winter beaters we put on the Jeep in winter time. You know, now the Jeep has on some slick rims because, you know, it's winter time. Here also, we got stuff going on. I wonder if I should show it to you guys in this video, but I'm gonna go ahead and do so. Just a quick preview of what we have. Let me just clear this stuff off, because we've been here last night until like 1 a.m. trying to get the gearbox and the transmission out. Hard working by yourselves. But we got a new bumper here, so we're gonna change the face of, you know, the look in this car. This one is like a bit aftermarket, so this one has a lot, you know, a lot going on here. Just a quick preview. Yeah, so gonna have that modified because the edges need a bit of work. Like here it's a bit rough, just the same. So we're gonna, you know, clean these up, and we're gonna make some changes and add that to the car. So, you know, we have lots of stuff coming. Here's the axle we took out from the gearbox, and then a quick look again. We took the brakes off, and then, you know, we have our rotor here. We changed the ABS sensor, so this is a new ABS sensor just so we can pass the inspection. Once we're done with the inspection here, as you can see, we put this new one in. Bought this one off Amazon, and then we changed the clutch and pressure plate. We changed the throwout bearings. We did all that, all the change that we could change for the clutch, but we were still hearing the rattling sound. So that's what we're gonna change. Also, We're gonna change the intake system, you know, the filter we're gonna change. You know, we're gonna do a lot of work. So stay tuned again. As I said, like, share, subscribe. You know, stay tuned to our channel and, you know, have a good weekend. Peace, love, respect.